Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. Oops, this fixed here. I'm Isaac, and today is Wednesday, August 3rd. So let's get right up into this. Let me see here. So let's see. There was a breaker structure right here, broke the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Right, so it's moving on up now, past this high. I think it should continue up, if I'm just being real. Now let's see what the news was like today. So 7 o'clock, we have our thing coming out. Now this is definitely kind of tough, right? Now that I look at it, let me see something real quick. I like the respect that's being shown right here. What I don't like is the EMAs under it. I like this area to sell from. I ain't gonna lie. So I like the sell from up here, but it's still under there. And there you go. So I like that it's rejecting that. We're going to have to watch out for this area right here. If it rejects us, then we know it's going to continue up. I think this is a little bit more clear of what it wants to do. I like this. I like this. We'll see if it's correct, but I'm just going based off of structure. It looks like we're in a complete break of structure right here. You can see the rejection up top right here. All right, let's do from this low. Looks pretty clean. Oops. It's tricky because of the EMAs crossing over down here, but it's something that I'm willing to risk on this side. So I think we're going to switch over to US30. To me, NAS doesn't look that. It looks like it's more on an uptrend, right? We're going to check it out today. So let's see. I like US30 a little bit more in terms of what it's doing. So let's see if it can absolutely do it the right way. All right. Could be wrong, but let's see. If we can take this down, take some profits here. How many pips that is? 70, around 80 pips, 79 pips, take some profits, and then see if it breaks through the downside. I think that's what we're at right now. So let's see what the market gives us. And yeah. Alright, let's see. I kind of like what it's doing. Down to the 1 minute here. Remember, these are the US30 moves a lot quicker, so I would use smaller smaller lot sizes for sure. Nothing in yet. Still push up on us, right? So, all right, I'll just put something small in and see if it continues down, how it finishes here. So I'm in the trade right now, about 2 pips down. All right, we're in it. I don't like that. Let's see what it does. If it can continue this push down. Mm. All right, we're in the trade. If I were you guys, we're already up a good amount of pips. I might move it to break even right now. So, all right, we're in this bitch. Move your stops to break even if I were you. All right, we're in this bitch. Let's see. I hope it continues this push down. Ah, no way. Uh, I mean, my stops are at break even. I'm in at a 78 and 77. So let's see if it continues this push down. Hope it does. No way. Got pretty fucking close. Damn. Stop me out. I don't know whether to jump in or not. It looks like there's a lot of respect being shown. All right, I jumped in right now. I took a loss like an idiot. I'm down about 50 bucks right now. But I'm in the trade right now, so let's see what's what. I jumped back in basically in the same spots, but Let's see if it can continue this push down. So I'm down about $50 for the day. Mmm, damn, that shit's out of here. The way that finished on the 5 minute, it looks like it's gonna push up. I took a big loss right now. I added some buys right now, and I'll be done after this. If this doesn't go my way, then I'm done. See the way it's looking off the 15 minutes. We'll possibly take this up here. See if it goes. Stops just below here, and then we see if we could ride this up 27%ish, little in between there. Could come down and come back and retest this. I hope it doesn't. I hope it just gets its way on out of here. Broke the high, so let's see if it could just continue to push now. I don't want to be too stuck in my ways like I've been recently. Um, so let's see what's what. I'm down 291 on the day. God damn. All right, let's see. We're in business right now. All right, I just closed 200. I think I'm about to close another 200. Let's go. Close 300. Let's go. Just closed another 200. I'm at 429 on the day. Got 0.02 in there, moving stops to break even. About 610. I'm in at 607. And that's how you take care of the loss right there, man. God damn, that was quick. So I got about $126 floating right now. Took about $300 in losses earlier. Now we're on our way up. Finishing right now with 429. Let's see if we can continue this push up. I took most of my profits before. Well, let me just zoom out a little bit. I took most of my profits at this 27% because I knew it could be, just a retracement. You see how it tapped the 15-minute EMA? I seen this. Seeing the rejection, the respect shown. That's why I got out of there. I knew that, we were up about 200 and something dollars at that point on the way down, and then, yeah, you can see it kind of coming down right now. So let's see if it can continue its push. Um, let's see if it can continue this push to the upside. Hopefully it can. We're up about 45 pips right now. Let's see. Actually, we're up about 50 pips. 50. See if this thing can continue up. So I pulled most of my trade. Hopefully we can get it from here. Let me see what Nas did real quick. Damn, that should just push that from here. It didn't even retrace. That's crazy. Just boom. Yeah, and that's why I didn't really like the trade. I seen that it was an uptrend, so I just didn't want to jump into the funk like that. No way. I hope it continues its ascent. That 127 that I had floating, 0.02, is now at $49. Looks like it has a lot of pull to the downside, so let's see. Damn, so I went down from being down 300 for the day. Now we're up 429 for the day, and that's really that shit about just making your losses smaller than your um making your losses smaller than your whatchamacallit than your yeah, making your losses smaller than your wins is that's crazy, dog. Looks like it's coming down. I might just close the shit and call it a day. For it's only $70. And it just looks like it wants to come down. But let's see if we could get a bear candle. I mean a bull candle right here. If we could see this 1 minute candle turn into a bull, I think we'd be in business. But like if we could see it, yeah, that's not gonna happen. If we could see it do this, then we're in business right here, right? So let's see what's what. Not gonna lie, like the way US30 moves is a lot faster than NAS. It is. It's different. So, that's something to be watchful and careful of. Yeah, this thing looks like it wants to come down. I'm still holding my position. We're up about $69 floating, $60. Very volatile, this shit. Like, Nas is one thing, but this shit is another thing, for sure. Yeah, and it looks like it's carrying it down. Last 30 seconds. Let's see if it's going to carry this bull candle or bear candle down, which it looks like it is. Damn, that's a big drop. I just closed it, closed my position. It might push up from here. Who knows? But I'm gonna call it a day with that. Finish with 450 after $300 in losses. Um, can't really complain about that. You know what I mean? My biggest my biggest trade was 62 pips, 40 pips, and 70 pips. What we're looking at right here. Not bad. I just closed the shit. Yeah, it didn't look all that great when I look at it. Um, Not the 5 minute. I'll show you what I see on the 5 minute. Looks like it got matched tit for tat, right? It could still push up right here. I think it can. I think it will. Just from this rejection right here off the 15 minute. But my goal was to reach up here, and it still could. But yeah, looks like it wants to kind of come down. You know what? I'm over here ready to jump in, so I'm gonna hop off. Every day can be $1,000 day. I'm happy that I was able to turn this $300 loss into a, $450 gain, and we'll just leave it at that. I mean, there ain't really too much to say on top of that. I do like this little area though as a buy. Um, Somewhere down here as a buy to take up to the upside, but I'm gonna stay away because we could just see a complete reversal shift, right? So I think that's possible as well. My original trade idea was it was gonna come down here, and what it could have did is just come up, smacked up top right here, and made its move down. Maybe is retracing a little bit more. Because look at that. Look at that shit. Um, that's a pretty big jump. Huge rejection right on the 15 minute. This rejection side. 592. Damn near 80 pips. 75, 80 pips right there. The rejection size. It's pretty fucking big. See, rejecting the 1 minute right here. Thinking about putting a buy in right now. Let's see how this candle finishes. Still 19 seconds left. I like that. I just put a buy in right now. I'm gonna move my stops to break. Whoa! I'm gonna move my stops to break even pretty quickly. I'm in at a 27, 27. So I'm gonna put my stops at 628. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out. Looks like it might. I'm telling you, this is pretty volatile right here. Like it is. It is pretty fucking volatile. Damn, it's about to stop me out pretty soon. Oh, got very fucking close. Ooh. If it stops me out, I'm out of here. Um, got very fucking close. Nah, looks like it's coming down these last 20 seconds. Go bull, go bull, go bull, go bull, go bull, go bull. There we go. There we go. See if it can make this push, this continuation now. Nah. Honestly, I don't even feel like holding it that long. I feel like just pulling it right now. Doesn't seem like there's a lot of weight behind it, and I feel like, oh, yeah, it looks like it could fall off right here. Damn, we got close again. Go bull, go bull, go bull. Stop me out. I'm gonna call it a day with that. That being said, I want to see how this finishes right here. That makes it look like it's coming down. Using that as support now, right? Then we got 7 o'clock coming, so I think it should be more volatile at 7. Yeah, that looks like it's coming down. So, got about before I got stopped out. Looks like we're seeing some bit of consolidation right now. Nas is just flying up right now. like the way it finished. All right, second chance. Very small stop loss. If it just falls off right here, then we're done. That, we're done. I put a small one in. I'm looking at like a 0.02. So let's see. I'm in at 42. Damn, yeah, that looks like it's coming down. Well, if it stops me out, it stops me out. I'll be okay with it. Yeah, it looks like it's coming down. I think I'm gonna just pull the trade. Um, it just looks like it's coming down right now. Last 47 seconds. Yeah, pulled it. All right, so I just pulled the trade, a little $22 or 22 pip loss. So let's see. I think I'm gonna just call it right there. I think it's showing its colors that it wants to come down. So I'm gonna just call it right there before I start losing money. And yeah, I'm actually I'm very satisfied with what happened today, considering it's my first time on US 30 in quite a while, right? So you know, I do like the way the job was done here. Truthfully, but I do want to see what happens at 7 o'clock. I'm not gonna put any trades in for the day. I just want to see what's gonna happen at 7 o'clock. Shit, I just throw something else in right now. Uh, Still respecting that little top zone right there. Like there's a little bit of resistance right there that's doing something. Whoa. Man, that was crazy. That was crazy just to see. Good thing I pulled that shit. Let's see what happens now. Looks like it should continue down. I'm interested to see what happens right here. Because now it looks like it's using the 15-minute as support, right? Yeah, it looks like it could take this shit to the upside, right? Using it, rejecting it. Now it can push up to the upside, continue its path to the, going up. I think it maybe should continue up. Let's see how this finishes. 1 minute. I think I'm gonna put some shit in, but I don't know yet. There's something about this area. I think I want to see it cross this area first before I put anything in. Like get on top of this. Finish strong through it. Put in some shit right now. So let's see. Alright, we're in there like swimwear. We're in there like swimwear. Let's see. Holy shit, let's go. I just pulled some profit right now, half my trade. Got me my losses back. I think I'm gonna pull the other half too. Might just fall off from here. Close that. I got a .02 runner. We'll leave it at that. It might fall off from here. I'm done for the day though. Let's go, man. Took some losses, got some gains. Moving stops to break even. I'm in at 622. Wasn't that good of a day. I will say that US30 kind of has me stuck a little bit, like in terms of how would I say it? We're in an uptrend. I should be looking for buys instead of sells. That's where I'm at with it. Yeah, see how I respected and rejected this? This area didn't break above it. I think that's why we're seeing the huge retrace. Probably see some consolidation too. So that'll stop me out at about $30 right now profit. I'm gonna just close this shit. I just closed it. I don't want to be in it no more. I'm good for the day. Let's just call it for what it is. Done. Donezo. Donezo. Alright, fuck it. We'll take it. Right here. Or look at this, about to fly up right now. It's all good though. I'll take it. So I definitely got 50 pips on one. Got 45 pips on the next and 20 pips on the next. I'll take it. You know, take it. It is what it is. We're done for the day now. Overall, I think we played it rather nicely. I ain't gonna lie. For consolidation, I think we played it all right. Fuck it, we're done for the day. I'll take it, call it for what it is. It's a win for the day, and yeah, let's leave it at that. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Whoever is on the live stream, thank you for tuning in, and appreciate you guys, man. You guys have yourself a good one. Johnny, appreciate you. Have a good one, dog.